name's Chris Cox. Graduated in 2015. My favourite UWR moment was probably during the first season with Formula Renault. Coming up to the last workshop session before Christmas, we'd pretty much finished the car minus the stickers, and it was just a really nice atmosphere to be with the team. Everyone was happy, everyone was really positive. It was just a real sense of accomplishment, taking something from nothing with limited resources into something that we were just getting ready to finish off and go racing with. UWR is helpful because it's a culture of competition, both individual competitiveness but also being competitive as part of a team, and along with that you develop skills of organisation, management, and just a general ethic of hard work which employers respond to and they're actively looking for, which you don't get by just doing a degree course on its own. I'm a manufacturing engineer and component owner for Royce Turbines.